war. This is worse than even any physical threat that we can imagine. Now, as you know, and many of the people who are knowledgeable know that vegetarian diet, meaning animal-free product, lifestyle, is the best way, the fastest to stop our disaster of global warming and the destruction of our planet. Every action provokes a reaction. We all know that. And we all sow what we reap. So if we let live the animals, heaven will let us live. That's all I can say. Vegetarian diet, animal-free products, everything to do with animals, we stay away. We have to treat animals with kindness the way we treat our own children and ourselves. Then we have the hope to save the planet. And I'm sure we can save the planet that way. I can guarantee that. If anyone is listening, please stop the cruelty for the animals. Please be a vegan. Please stay away from all animal product and cruelty to human and all beings on this planet. Then we will keep this planet. Not only we will keep this planet, but this planet will become more beautiful, more abundant, more glorious, more happy for everyone to enjoy. Thank you so much, Mr. Andrew.
Some of the benefits of a vegetarian diet: lower blood pressure, lower cholesterol levels, reduce type 2 diabetes, prevent stroke conditions, reverse atherosclerosis, reduce heart disease risk 50%, reduce heart surgery risk 80%, prevent many forms of cancer, stronger immune system, increase life expectancy up to 15 years, higher IQ, conserve up to 70% clean water, save over 70% of the Amazonian rainforest from clearance for animal grazing. A solution for world hunger. Free up 3,433 million hectares of land annually. Free up 760 million tons of grain every year, half the world's grain supply. Consume 2/3 less fossil fuels than those used for meat production. Reduce pollution from untreated animal waste. Maintain cleaner air. Save 4.5 tons of emissions per US household per year. Stop 80% of global warming. Plus more. Save your life. Be veg, go green.
We also have some wonderful comments about your newly released and already best-selling books. Christina Stroop, holistic animal practitioner, says, "Thank you so much. Touching pictures, and when I glance through the book, I feel its emotional atmosphere. The book emanates love. I wish you all the success and hope you will touch many people so that compassion toward our co-inhabitants will increase." Further, we have Dr. Hildburg Manz with a PhD in natural sciences. She's here and wishes to tell us her comment about the book personally. Welcome, Dr. Manz.
Thank you for coming, Doctor.
Das Buch Die Vögel in meinem Leben von der höchsten Meisterin Shanghai ist nicht umsonst Bestseller bei Amazon in den USA, in England und in Frankreich und auch ein Bestseller in Formosa und, wie wir jetzt erfahren haben, ganz aktuell auch in Deutschland. Denn es zeigt uns in einer originellen und einzigartigen Weise die Gefühlswelt der Vögel, die mit der höchsten Meisterin leben. Wir erfahren, wie tief Vögel Liebe und Leid empfinden und wie hingebungsvoll und bedingungslos ihre Liebe und unglaubliche Treue ist. In diesem Buch wird gezeigt, dass Vögel liebevolle Wesen sind, die eine schöne Umgebung brauchen, in der sie gedeihen können. Vögel sind so wunderbar, innen und außen. Dieses farbenfrohe, liebevoll gestaltete Buch ist ein kostbares Geschenk. Ich wünsche mir, dass auch in Deutschland viele Menschen dieses wunderbare Buch lesen und schätzen werden. Danke.
Thank you so much.
Vielen Dank, Frau Doktor. Vielen Dank.
Next, we would like to welcome Julie Legieux, a journalist from France. Thank you for coming, Ms. Legieux.
Thank you. Good afternoon, Supreme Master.
Hello.
I have begun to read your book. This is a nice present you give us. The world needs guides like you to learn to love and respect all living beings. And all the staff of Vegetarian Magazine try to take part in this great mission. We thank you to write such peaceful books which make people sensitive to the gentleness to the animal life. Thank you.
Thank you for having such a magazine for the animals. God bless you. God bless you so much. And thanks for coming.
Thank you so much, Ms. Legieux. Supreme Master Qinghai, as you can see, your book has been much appreciated. Would you please be so kind and share with us how you came to adopt so many birds and how their love changed your life?
Yes, they changed my life for sure. They make me very busy. I was already busy and they make me busier, so that's how they changed my life. Wow, of course, that was just a joke. That is a very little price to pay for the love and the precious knowledge that you get when you are with them. Yes, they love me so much, unconditionally. And in return, I don't know how much more I can love them. Every day, every night, when I'm home, I sing to them. I say, I love you more. I love you every day more. Every day more. That's all I can say. They're so beautiful, and so wonderful. Not just my birds. All the birds are beautiful. Sometimes I have to stay in a hotel because sometimes where I stay